How to hide your birthday on Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can hide your birthday on Snapchat. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Snapchat app, and then you have to click your profile icon on the top left corner, and then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page you have to click the settings gear on the top right corner, and then you have to scroll through and find the birthday option, and then click the birthday option. Now you can see I have enabled this birthday party option, and this will add a cake next to your name, display a special birthday charm, help friends find and celebrate your birthday, and some other fun surprises. But this does not reveal your age to other Snapchatters. Changes can take up to 24 hours to take effect. So you simply have to toggle this off by clicking this icon over here, and once it turns gray, it's turned off, and if it's green, it's going to show your birthday to the people. To hide it, you simply have to toggle it off by clicking this green button and turn it gray. Once it's gray, no one will be able to see your birthday now, and that's how you hide your date of birth or birthday on Snapchat.